Let me say a couple of words in terms of Excel reporting and the Addin certificates and security relating them. So if I were to look at Excel from the point of view of an Addin, I can see in this template that there is an Addin. It's called Mass Hunter Reporting Quant. That's the Addin that's used. It's associated with this toolbar up here, processing the results and doing the importing and the formatting and then the printing automation. Now, typically you would just be modifying the Excel cell mapping that happens between the data and where it's going to be formatted. I showed you extending the macros by adding a macro, and in that case you're facing the certificate. So the certificate, if I look at macro security, the certificate that comes with the reports that are part of the product already have an Agilent certificate on them. And those will run, and once you say you trust Addin, those run through without asking for security clearance again. If you were to change any macro, that certificate is now invalid. Notice that it says trust all installed add-ins and trust the access to the Visual Basic product. So what you're faced with is two choices. One is to lower the security level, which is not recommended. And the other mechanism is to self-certify, which is a practice which is not dissimilar from what we've done by contacting VeriSign and getting them to provide us with a technology to put a public key encryption on these. You can self-certify on the computer that you're using for reporting and add that into your Excel templates, and they will not ask then for security. And I'll leave you to search the Microsoft site for articles that describe the self-certifying process so that you can add them in. Thank you very much for your attention.